Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to understand about relational and logical operators and how they can be evaluated to true or false state. So before beginning to the program, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to know more updates. So let us begin here. Relational and logical operators are used to evaluate an expression and generate the boolean result in true or false state. So first thing that we need to know is the result generated by these comparisons would be always in either true, which will be evaluated to 1, or false, which will be evaluated to 0 state. So let us comment these things. Let us understand how it is implemented in the program. A very simple example is written here. In main, I have two variables a and b with respective values 5 and 10. I am saying a printf statement a greater than b %d \n. So I am evaluating an expression immediately in the printf statement itself, which is saying a greater than b. So ideally 5 greater than 10 is false state. So it is going to return 0. So here the boolean value true or false should be replaced with 1 or 0 respectively. But in this printf statement, the result is false. So it is going to give 0. Okay, let's jump to the another printf statement. Here we are using relational as well as logical operator. So a less than b is one comparison, a greater than 0 is another comparison. And I am using logical and operator to evaluate its truth table. So a less than b is a true state for me right now, and another condition a greater than 0 is also a true state for me. So when both the expressions are evaluating to true in AND, the result will be always true. So that is what the truth table of AND operator says. I need both the evaluations to be true to give a true result. If any one of them is 0 or false, it is going to evaluate to false state only. In our situation, it is going to give me true state. So let us see here, a less than b and a greater than 0. The same expression has been written here. Immediately it is evaluated and the result 1, which is a true state given in the printf statement, replacing to this %d. So let us see an output for this program. Go to build, click on build and run, and the output window is seen here. So a greater than b is 0, so it's a false state, and both the conditions are evaluated with logical AND operator. Again it is compared and I'm getting the result 1, which is a true state. So this is how you can combine relational and logical operators together to evaluate multiple states of given condition and generate the respective results. Usually, relational operators are used to compare multiple values, and logical operators like AND, OR, NOT are used to compare any one of the situation or evaluation to be generated into true or false state based on the truth table. Do check out the lecture video given with a detailed explanation of all these relational and logical operators to know more clarifications. Do try the unsolved programs given at the end of the video for more practicing. Thank you so much. I hope you understood this video very easily. Keep practicing and do like, share and subscribe to my channel.